Good day. This is a quick tutorial on our new exchanger Weex. When you download the app, this is what you see. So basically what you do first is you sign up, you verify your account, you download the app, you sign in, and so that it's easier to use. So basically this will be the app's first page that you get in. Now if you want to deposit your USDT, is you go to deposit here and then you click on USDT, or you can also search, and what you can do is you can choose the network that you are going to use to deposit your USDT. As for me, I always choose either the first one, USDT TRC20, or USDT BAP20, the Binance Smart Chain, because they are the ones that are the cheapest. And when you come here, you copy the address, you take it to the exchanger where you are going to deposit from, or you send it to the person that is sending you the USDT. And once your money arrives, it will basically be here where it says total balance. Now if you want to trade, today we'll be trading BFT at 4 p.m. So if you want to trade, your navigation will always be at the bottom of your page. Now if you look at the bottom, you see that home is highlighted. If I click on market, it will be highlighted. If I click on futures, it will be highlighted. And if I click on trades, it will be highlighted. So basically what you do is when you come here, yours might not say BFT USDT. It will maybe say something else. So what I want you to do is you click where it says BFT USDT, you click there, and then you basically just type in BFT, and then it will come up. So at the moment it won't come up because it hasn't been listed yet, but after 4, obviously when you search it, it will show up here, and it must be basically under spot. So you must click under spot, and then you search for BFT, and then it will pop up. Once it pops up, I want you to, where it says limit order, you must basically click there and you say market order, because you are basically wanting to buy BFT at that point in time. And then you put in the amount of USDT that you want to use. Maybe you want to use 50 USDT, or how many USDT you have in your account. You put them there and you click on buy. As simple as that. You have basically, you see, it's telling me trading is not open because BFT has not been launched yet. So when you do that, you click on buy, it immediately buys on the market price. Whatever the price will be that time, it will buy. And then basically, if you want to check it, you go to your asset, and then it will basically be sitting here where it says spot. If you click on spot, then your BFT will be a part of this list here. At the moment there's nothing, but I just want to show you how to use the new exchanger. It's basically more or less the same as the others. Some features change here and there, but the concept is basically the same. So yeah, and then if you want to sell your BFT again, you go back to trade. Now you click on the button that says sell, and then you make sure that here it says market order and not limit order. And then you basically can either put in the amount of BFT that you want to sell here, or you move this ruler here, the one that says 0 here. So obviously mine will not move now because there is no BFT, but once there is BFT, it will be able to move, and it will tell me how many percentage do I want to sell. Or if I want to sell the whole position, then I just say 100% and I click on sell, and immediately my position on BFT will be executed and my money will return back into USDT. So that is a quick tutorial on how will you be buying BFT this afternoon.